Hello, my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to the channel, Jamaica News Review. So, right now, my people, we're gonna talk about the situation with the Jamaica US Embassy, the Jamaica US Embassy row, as they call it, um, where it seems like it's a tit for tat situation um, on the part of the US, where they requested that the Jamaica government grant diplomatic immunity to diplomats at the U.S. embassy, a diplomat at the U.S. embassy who is in a same-sex relationship. So that person at the U.S. embassy, I think, from my understanding, wants to have his same-sex partner, come to Jamaica and be with him. So they wrote a letter to the U.S. to the Jamaican government requesting this. Jamaica government didn't reply, and they then again, wrote the Jamaica government demanding a response, to which the Jamaica government denied the request due to the fact that we do not support same-sex marriages and it's against the law in Jamaica. So now the US has retaliated seemingly by telling our ambassador in the US, RG Marks, and some other diplomats that they have to leave immediately after their 5-year visa is up. And that is not usually the case in the past. If that happened, they were usually allowed to stay, but they were given an ultimatum to leave immediately. So this to me seems like the US pulling a temper tantrum because they didn't get their way and retaliated by telling our diplomats that they must leave immediately after their visa is up. So people, it's a situation that is cause for concern. It's a superpower bully in a small country, a third world country, to take their way or no way at all. And it's just classic bullyism, because that is something that is not permitted in Jamaica. That is something that is against the law in Jamaica. Why would you come and put the Jamaica government in such a tough position where you're practically forcing them to accept that diplomat who is a homosexual and grant them all the rights um, granted to heterosexual couples, when you know that that is against the law in Jamaica? Why would you do that? Why would you put Jamaica and the government of Jamaica in such a tough position when you know the law and you know that it is something that is not accepted in Jamaica? It is something that is against the law in Jamaica. Why are you forcing this way of life onto other people? Why are you forcing us to accept this lifestyle if it is not something that we support? It is something that is against the law here. Why are you forcing us to accept it? I'm not against. If you want to live that lifestyle, that is up to you. But stop coming here and stop forcing us to do something that our country does not support, that is not allowed, that is not permitted in this country. Why not put a diplomat that is straight, that is a heterosexual, and avoid the situation? And why would that diplomat even try to come to Jamaica when he know that? Why would you even try to take the position? Why not take the position for something else, for another role? Why would you deliberately put yourself in that position where it would cause such a issue between Jamaica and the United States? Why would you do that? So the situation never have to get to this point. It is against our laws. It is something that we don't support. So all you had to do is just put somebody else in the role without all these complexities, and we will be on our way. Why are they now trying to retaliate by taking away, you know, the diplomatic immunity for our diplomats? And there's rumors going around that they're gonna be taking away visas. And when the US get to work, they apply some pressure and by taking away visas and other little things, and everybody just fall up because we're just a third world country and we depend on them. But the situation can be easily solved. Just remove that person from the position, put someone there who is heterosexual, and we don't have a problem. Why are you now trying to force the government to accept your way when that right is not awarded to Jamaican citizens? If you're a common law couple in Jamaica, you don't get the rights of a marriage couple. If you're a gay couple, you don't get the right to marry in Jamaica. Jamaican citizens don't get that. So just abide by our rules. When Jamaicans or people from other country go to your country, the United States, we have to follow the rules. So likewise, a sovereign country, we're a sovereign country. Just respect our laws. Don't come here and try to dictate to us and tell us what to do. We have to follow your rules. People from other country, they go to your country, they have to follow your rules. So don't try to be a bully and try to tell other countries what to do and try to disrespect them by pretty much saying accept our way or it's no way at all, or we're going to retaliate, or we're going to do this, or we're going to do that. That's not right. And not because we're a little country, not because we're a small country, that means that we don't have rights. We're a sovereign country. So please respect our laws, respect our sovereignty as we have to do, and everybody else in the world have to do with you. Why not go to Saudi Arabia and tell them they must change their laws concerning homosexuality? Why not go there and tell them that? No, because you have a special relationship with them. Why not go to Indonesia, and tell them that? Why not go to any of your other allies and tell them what to do? Just as how you can't tell them what to do, respect our sovereignty and respect our laws. We're a small country, but that doesn't mean we don't have rights. And we are a sovereign country. We're an independent country. And we make our laws. And we expect other countries to respect them, just as how we have to respect theirs. So those are my thoughts on the situation, people. Um, Now, please remember to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment. Thank you.